Have you ever wondered where the fantastical worlds and futuristic technologies we so often see in science fiction originated? Well, the journey of this fascinating genre is a tale as intriguing as the stories it tells. The seeds of science fiction were sown in the 2nd century with True History, a satirical novel by Lucian of Samosata. This tale, revolving around a voyage to the moon and interplanetary warfare, is often considered the first ever instance of science fiction. Fast forward to the 17th century and we find Johannes Kepler's Somnium, a novel that presents a detailed scientific vision of life on the moon. This distinct blend of fact and fantasy would become a staple of the genre. As we move into the 19th century, science fiction begins to take a recognizable form. In 1812, Mary Shelley penned Frankenstein, a Gothic novel that explored the moral and ethical implications of scientific advancement. Later in the century, 2 authors would shape the genre in profound ways. Jules Verne, with his scientifically rigorous adventures like 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and H.G. Wells, whose works such as The War of the Worlds and The Time Machine pushed the boundaries of imagination. The 20th century saw science fiction explode in popularity. With the advent of atomic power and space exploration, the genre became a playground for writers to explore humanity's hopes and fears for the future. Giants of the genre, such as Isaac Asimov, Arthur C. Clarke, and Philip K. Dick, wove tales that continue to resonate today. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, science fiction has become a dominant force in popular culture. From the dystopian visions of Margaret Atwood and Octavia Butler, to the cyberpunk worlds of William Gibson and Neil Stephenson, the genre continues to evolve, reflecting the anxieties and aspirations of our times. So we've journeyed from the satirical lunar tales of the 2nd century to the hyper-realistic cyberpunk worlds of the 21st. We've seen science fiction grow from fantastical speculation to a genre that mirrors our society and speculates on its future. In summary, the genre of science fiction has a rich and fascinating history. It began with fantastical voyages to the moon, evolved through the exploration of science and morality, and exploded in popularity in the 20th century. Today, it remains a powerful tool for exploring the human condition in the face of technological advancement. Science fiction has always been, and will continue to be, a mirror held up to society, reflecting our hopes, fears, and dreams for the future. It's a genre that asks what if and dares to dream of what might be. It's a genre that, no matter how far it voyages into the future, remains deeply human at its core.